Hello everyone, I'd like to give you a brief breakdown of our paper entitled Wi-Fi Location-Based 3D Map for Device Connections. My objective today is to present the Wi-Fi Connection Engine application using the Analysis and Locations Engine or ALE. First, I will talk about the introduction. Then, I will look at the background review and related works. Next, I will discuss about system design and implementation. Following, the experimental results, and finally summarize the paper in conclusion. Let me begin by explaining about the wireless monitoring system. Wireless monitoring has the power to change the way organizations conduct business. Everyone has a mobile phone in the current era, so this has become a significant source of data. What kind of data should be collected becomes a topic. For commercial usage, from selling goods and analyze the customer group. If we can more directly understand the passenger flow, Wi-Fi positioning is an effective method, because we can detect the user's location, and then make a heat map of the masses, and master the location of the masses at the first time, which helps in-depth analysis of the relationship between time and customer groups. In today's society, it can be said that everyone has a mobile phone, and ALE can retrieve the data of its existence. If we can capture the current mobile device's data, we can know how many people there are. If we can use this information by visualizing, we can know the status of population movement in various buildings. It can be used to observe the status of population movement and future org activities, and then it can further improve the movement line. In addition, when a disaster occurs, the golden rescue time is very urgent. Immediately grasping the victims who hold the mobile device can effectively help the rescue route planning, reduce the rescue time, improve the survival rate of the wounded, reduce the loss of personnel to the minimum, and let the disaster relief personnel can perform rescue tasks more efficiently. This picture is the system architecture diagram. Our system is based on the Linux operating system. The Linux operating system is more flexible than Windows, and is more suitable for setting up a web server. The system we use can be divided into two parts. On the left is ALE with script to send data to MySQL. MySQL interacts with the website through PHP. Use Apache, and will use HTML, CSS, JS, and finally present our website. In the data visualization, assuming that only the points of the user's device are on the map, it does not look so beautiful, so we chose to use Sketchup to build our model software. Through Sketchup's extension warehouse, there are many plugins with special shapes, which make the East China Sea rich. Artistic buildings can be made, as shown in the figure. In conclusion, let me sum up my main points. First, in this paper, the Wi-Fi connection engine was applied using the Analysis and Locations Engine (ALE). Second, ALE provides the information, including MAC address, location, floor information, the building where the device belongs. Third, from this data, we presented the web visualization of the Wi-Fi network monitoring system on the map using cesium. In the future, this development system can be applied to assist the system in tracking the movement in certain areas. That brings me to the end of my presentation. Thank you for listening.